In a bright kitchen, a curious experiment unfolds as a plastic bottle becomes a miniature storm chamber, teaching Vortex science. Water and a splash of dish soap swirl together, while the learner watches a tornado form when the bottle is shaken. The science behind it is cohesion and low pressure, as the moving liquid creates a stable vortex that pulls itself upward. Safety tips remind guardians to supervise and use a capped bottle while avoiding hot liquids and sharp edges during setup. As it settles, the moment reveals how energy shifts from motion to heat and imagination.